Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can change your currency in CJ Dropshipping. So first of all, you'll have to open your browser and go to cjdropshipping.com, and then you'll have to log in with your account. After you log in, you'll be on your home page and it will look something like this. So from here, you'll have to go to this drop down icon, which is the language and currency. So if you hover over it, you will see the language and the currency here as well. So when you click on the currency drop down menu, it will give you all the other currencies that you can currently select and change your current currency to. So if it is now USD, so if I want to select pound or euro, so simply I have to select it, and the page will reload. As you can see, it reloaded, and then everything will be in euros. As you can see, all the price are in euros. So this is how you can easily change your currency in CJ Dropshipping. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.